If you want to become a professional DJ, you must stay away from using this button, sync button. So the problem with using a sync is that if you want to be a professional DJ and you want to DJ in a club or different events, so you won't be able to use this button because you are going to be using CDJs. So CDJs, most of them, they don't have this button, which means you are going to have a problem when it comes to beat matching. So another thing with CDJs is that you have to do tempo matching. So tempo matching is all about matching the tempo of the song. So mostly with virtual DJ, you can see that when you put the song, automatically it's gonna try and match the tempo. So with CDJs, you have to do that manually. So right now, the purpose or the main purpose of this video is that stay away from the sync button. So now let me show you how you can beat match firstly in this interface, which is not really good because with this interface, if you can see here, you are able to see here even though you are using a jog wheel, because already we have the tempo matching. So like, let me show you what I'm talking about, and then I'm gonna explain it better, and then I'm gonna try to show you a different way to learn. So that's how you will learn how to DJ perfectly. Okay, let's do this. So firstly, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna play this song towards the end and try to put another one. So I'm gonna So you can hear that the song just entered perfectly. There were no horses. But the problem is, one more thing that I can tell you is that I'm sure you didn't notice, is that I was cheating. You know what? The problem with virtual DJ is that you are able to see, like, this is the beat counter right here. So I try to use the cue. So when you are doing this, when you use a cue, especially on CDJs, you even here, you are trying to count the beat. You know, this is how the beat goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, simple like that. So now when I was playing with the jog wheel, I was kind of seeing that no, this is not matching as well. You can see that it's here right now. This song is this, so they are not at the same. They are not at the same place. What I can say, you see, they were not really like at the same place with me, with which means I didn't match really match. So when I played around with the jog wheel, so I was kind of seeing, and then when they start moving together, that's where I saw it. Now they are moving together. I wasn't really using my ear. So what I'm trying to say, you need to use your ear. You don't have to see, because when you go to DJ in a club, you are not going to see this. So which means you are going to have problems. You will do a lot of horses. So now I think what you can do, if you are trying to learn and you prefer using this interface, you have to find something and cover this up. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you need to cover this up so that you don't watch, because it's kind of cheating. When you move the joke, will you be seeing? Oh, yeah, no, it's not at the right place. But let me move again. Let me try to move and see if it's gonna come here. But you see now, now it's fine. So just like that. So another thing, the best way to learn right now. So it's finding an interface that looks like maybe a controller, because you know most of us, we don't have controllers. So if you don't have a controller, no problem. So now I'm gonna show you another trick that you can use instead of doing this. So just go to settings, and then here after that go to interface. So here you will be presented with different interfaces. So now you just have to, firstly, you might find that you don't have one installed, because the one that I want you to use is the virtual Pioneer. So which means if you don't see it here yet, you need to go to get more and then you need to install it. You will find it here. It's the third one. So now since I already have it installed, I'm gonna go back and then just select it, simple as that. And then now here there's no that virtual bit counter that I'm seeing. So whatever I'm doing is gonna be manual. So let's try this. So I'm gonna play this song because I was playing it. Now you see what I'm talking about. Very easy once you get comfortable. So, and also one thing that you don't know is that when I'm doing this, when I was doing this beat matching like this, it's more like where a DJ who's DJing without like headset. So it's more like I was DJing but without headsets because I wasn't listening to the sound first on my headset and then I beat match. So because mostly that's how you're gonna do it, because mixing without headsets, it can be very tricky. It's very difficult sometimes. Most of the DJs mix with headsets because if you do that, you will hear a lot of voices. So yeah, that's what I can say for now. Oh, but one thing that I can show you also is that if you want to mix with headsets using virtual DJ, it's very easy. Just go to settings and then come here. Since we're still in this interface, go to settings and then go to audio, and then you just simply click speaker and headphone. Make sure that you have another sound. Maybe you have your monitors or any other sound that you are using. Select it. At this point I'm going to select like maybe this, it's my laptop speakers. And then I don't know, just bear with me a little bit. I don't know why my laptop it's little bit slowly, but you need to select this sound. So I'm just gonna do this and see. Yeah, now it's okay. So okay, and then the second sound is gonna be your it has to be your headset, just like this. And then make sure that it's on channel 1 and 2, just like the first one right here. And then you click apply. So if you do that, you're going to hear the sound on your earphones. Let me try to play this, but I don't know if you're gonna hear this. And make sure that I can hear it. So the volume is down, but I can hear it. So which means when I beat match, I'm gonna hear it first and then make sure that I can also hear it this side. I mean, I can also listen the sound that was playing, and then I listen to the one that is coming. I do my beat match, and then everything will be fine. So by the way, thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna keep on doing these videos. I'm gonna also do mixes. I do mixes. I also do these videos. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. So do everything to support the channel. So let's meet on the next video, guys. So I'm gonna try to upload more like regularly, and mostly I'm gonna be doing these DJ tips, and maybe sometimes I'm gonna do music production, because I also do music production. So if you look at my channel, you will see that I have a lot of videos on music production. That's where I started, and then after that last year I started doing mixes. So And then after that, I was like, let me also do some DJing tips because I know how hard it is to learn how to DJs, because most of us, when we learn using virtual DJ, we do it the automatic way. So if you learn using this interface, I think you can be a great DJ because this is a pioneer. So it's similar to the controller, so which means you can really be a great DJ. So it has most of the things that are similar to the controller, and also you do it the same way that, or how you will normally do it if you are using the CDJs. So at least you have a strong basic knowledge of how it works. So yeah, let me get out of here. Thank you again.